London Heathrow radio, speedbird 737 heavy, taxiing to runway 27 right.
London Heathrow radio, Flyer 21 Bravo Lima is clear of all runways. London Heathrow radio, speedbird 666 India Golf is on final, runway 27 left. London Heathrow radio, Lima November Bravo Sierra Juliet Heavy, taxiing to runway 27 right. London Heathrow radio, Air Force 2 Heavy is taking off runway 27 left, departing west. London Heathrow radio, speedbird 385 India Golf is 24 nautical miles to the east at 9,600 feet, inbound for landing, will make right traffic for runway 27 right. London Heathrow radio, Vietnam Airlines 104 is on final, runway 27 left.
London Heathrow radio, speedbird 737 heavy is taking off runway 27 right, departing south.
London Heathrow radio, speedbird 666 India Golf is clear of all runways. London Heathrow radio, November 484 Whiskey is on final, runway 27 left. London Heathrow radio, speedbird 710, taxiing to runway 27 left. London Heathrow radio, speedbird 385 India Golf is on right base, runway 27 right. London Heathrow Radio, Vietnam Airlines 104 is clear of all runways. London Heathrow Radio, Vietnam Airlines 104 is clear of all runways.
Speedbird 737 Heavy is 2 nautical miles east of your airport Basel at 12,300 feet, requesting visual approach runway 14 at Zurich.
Turn left heading 010, Speedbird 32 Victor Alpha. Zurich final, Cathay 383, with you at 7000. KLM 917, requesting climb to 7000. Speedbird 737 Heavy, turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 5500.
Turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 5500, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Velocity 101, turn left heading 310. India Lima Echo Oscar Sierra, turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 5000. Turn left heading 310, velocity 101. Lufthansa 362 Super, turn left heading 330. Romeo Alpha 1491 Mike, turn left heading 150. Turn right heading 360, Air India 001 India November Heavy. Swiss 777, turn left heading 190. Turn left heading 330, Lufthansa 362 Super. Swiss 234 Heavy at 6 nautical miles northeast of Belfort Fontaine at 18,700 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Swiss 41 Golf Heavy at 5 nautical miles north of 3 engine at 32,800 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Swiss 777, maintain slowest practical speed. Foxtrot Golf Sierra 05, Speedbird 737 Heavy, contact Zurich final on 120.75. Euro Swiss 555.
Contacting Zurich final on 120.75, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Delta 407 Victor Alpha Heavy at 7 nautical miles northwest of
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 8,900.
Swiss 41 Golf Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Zurich final, Swiss 557 Lima, with you at 17,700. Roger, Swiss 4...
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 8,400.
Golf Alpha Bravo Echo Echo at 7 nautical miles northwest of Bristol at 12,000 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Swiss 420 Heavy at 4 nautical miles northeast of 3 engine at 6,000 feet, requesting ILS approach Zurich 5.
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 7,600.
Swiss 420 Heavy, turn left heading 340. Speedbird 32 Victor Alpha, turn left heading 340. Turn left heading 340, Swiss 420 Heavy. Velocity 101 is 3 nautical miles southeast of Bethel at 8,800 feet, requesting visual approach runway 14 at Zurich. Contacting Zurich final on 120.75, Lufthansa 1184. Turn left heading 340, Speedbird 32 Victor Alpha.
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 6,600.
Swiss 314, turn left heading 340. Air India 001 India November Heavy is 1 nautical miles northwest of 3 engine at 7,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Roger, Zurich final. Victor November Alpha 520 is 2 nautical miles southwest of Schwenningen at 12,300 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Turn right heading 110, maintain.
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 5,700.
Turn left heading 240, descend and maintain 12,000, Swiss 41 Golf Heavy. ILS approach runway 14 at Zurich.
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 5,500.
Edelweiss 3303 Super, turn right heading 260, maintain 7,000. KLM 518, turn left heading 030. Speedbird 1111 Super is 3 nautical miles east of your airport Basel at 12,100 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Turn right heading 260, maintain 7,000,
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 5,500.
Turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 9,000, Swiss 234 Heavy. Zurich final is 3 nautical miles west of Blumberg at 8,800 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Alpha Papa Papa India Lima, requesting descent to 5,000. Helvetic 711, turn right heading 090. KLM 518, turn left heading 050. Air India 001 India November Heavy, contact Zurich final on 125.32. Turn left heading 070, climb and maintain 8,000, Delta 627. Zurich final, with you at 11,000. Turn left.
Zurich final, Speedbird 737 Heavy, with you at 5,500.
Zurich final, turn left heading 240. Zurich final, KLM 1609 Heavy, with you at 14,000. Delta 627, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Eurowings 59 Lima, maintain 18 all knots until 6 mile final. Maintain 18 all knots. Speedbird 7. Speedbird 737 Heavy. Contact Zurich final on 125.32. Zurich
Contacting Zurich final on 125.32. Speedbird 73. Zurich final. Speedbird 737 Heavy with you at 5,500. Zurich final. Speedbird 737 Heavy with you at 5,500.
Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. We're in an active airspace. Please contact Zurich final on 12. Speedbird 737 Heavy. Turn right heading 080. Climb and maintain 6,000.
Turn right heading 080. Climb and maintain 6,000. Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Zurich final is 6 nautical miles northeast of Sheerness at 8,600 feet. Requesting GPS approach runway 14 at Zurich. Zurich final. Expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Zurich final. Turn right heading 080. Descend and maintain 5,000. Roger. Zurich final. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Turn left heading 360. Descend and maintain 6,000. Turn left heading 360. Descend and maintain 6,000. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Turn right heading 080. Descend and maintain 5,000. Delta 407 Victor Alpha Heavy. Turn right heading 130. Speedbird 737 Heavy. Turn right heading 100. Turn left heading 030. Zurich final. Turn left heading 340. Air India 001 India November Heavy. Saudia 011 Victor Alpha. Expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Turn left heading 270. Descend and maintain 7,000. Saudia 011 Victor Alpha. Zurich final is 3 nautical miles north of Langen at 5,900 feet. Requesting ILS approach any runway at Zurich. Zurich final. Maintain 6,000. Roger. Saudia 011 Victor Alpha. Victor November Alpha 520 is 13 nautical miles north of Bad Ragaz at 7,500 feet. Requesting ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Swiss 317. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Swiss 317. Tomjet 972. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Swiss 258. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Swiss 258. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. KLM 917. Air India 001 India November Heavy. Turn left heading 300. Descend and maintain 6,000. Maintain 6,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 28 approach. Victor November Alpha 520 is 10 nautical miles north of Bad Ragaz at 6,400 feet. Requesting radar vectors to Zurich. Tomjet 972. Contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. Thank you. Good day. Swiss 317. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Turn right heading 210. Turn right heading 210. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Speedbird 737 Heavy. Turn left heading 080. Descend and maintain 7,000. Victor November Alpha 520. Turn left heading 070. Climb and maintain 7,000.
Turn left heading 080. Descend and maintain 7,000. Speedbird 737 Heavy.
November 117 Bravo Charlie. Turn right heading 100. Turn left heading 060. Speedbird 737 Heavy. Turn left heading 050.
Turn left heading 050. Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Victor November Alpha 520. Reduce speed to 200 knots. Reduce speed to 200 knots. Victor November Alpha 520. Turn left heading 290. Maintain 6,000. Maintain 6,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 28. KLM 518. Helvetic 711. Contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. Air India 001 India November Heavy. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Air India 001 India November Heavy. Swiss 258. Contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. KLM 518. Turn left heading 280. Descend and maintain 5,000. Maintain 5,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 28 approach. Air France 333 flight of 2. Turn right heading 130. Climb and maintain 7,000. Easy to Mike X-ray. Turn right heading 150. Climb and maintain 8,000. Turn right heading 130. Climb and maintain 7,000. KLM 1609 Heavy. Delta 627. Turn right heading 090. Turn left heading 350. Victor November Alpha 520. Speedbird 737 Heavy. Turn left heading 280. Maintain 7,000. Maintain 7,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 28 approach.
Turn left heading 280. Maintain 7,000. Maintain 7,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 28. Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Climb and maintain 7000, Delta 627. Speedbird 737 Heavy, turn left heading 280, maintain 7000 until established on the localizer.
Turn left heading 280, maintain 7000 until established on the localizer. Clear dial S1 28, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Swiss 9 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Air India 001 India November Heavy, contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. Speedbird 737 Heavy, contact Zurich arrival on 118.0. Victor November Alpha 520.
Contacting Zurich arrival on 118.0, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Delta 6.
Zurich arrival, Speedbird 737 Heavy with you at 7000.
Swiss 234 Heavy, contact Zurich arrival on 118.0. Contacting Zurich arrival on 118.0, Swiss 234 Heavy. Contacting Zurich arrival on 118.0.
Zurich arrival, Speedbird 737 Heavy with you at 7000.
Frequency change approved, Swiss 9 Heavy, good day. Emirates 725 is 6 nautical miles southwest of Donaueschingen-Villingen at 6,000 feet, requesting ILS approach anyone for Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, turn left heading 300. Turn left heading 300, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Swiss 234 Heavy, increase speed to 220 knots. KLM 1609 Heavy, turn left heading 290. Increase speed to 220 knots, Swiss 234 Heavy. 9 Victor Delta Charlie Foxtrot, do not exceed 220 knots. Air France 333 flight of 2, turn right heading 090. Do not exceed 220 knots, 9 Victor Delta Charlie Foxtrot. Turn left heading 290, KLM 1609 Heavy. Turn right heading 090, Air France 333 flight of 2. Emirates 725, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 of Zurich. Zurich arrival, Swiss 789 Heavy, with you at 22,700. Emirates 725, maintain 7000. Swiss 234 Heavy, turn left heading 300, maintain 7000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 approach. KLM 1609 Heavy, turn left heading 270. Turn left heading 270, KLM 1609 Heavy. Zurich arrival, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 of Zurich. Turn left heading 330, Zurich arrival. 9 Victor Delta Charlie Foxtrot, descend and maintain 9000. Descend and maintain 9000, 9 Victor Delta Charlie Foxtrot. Zurich arrival, turn left heading 190. Air France 333 flight of 2, descend and maintain 6000. Shamrock 321, make a left 360. Turn left heading 270, Zurich arrival. Shamrock 321, do not exceed 220 knots. Do not exceed 220 knots, Shamrock 321. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, descend and maintain 8000. Descend and maintain 8000, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Zurich arrival, turn left heading 270. 9 Victor Delta Charlie Foxtrot, turn left heading 270. Turn left heading 270, Zurich arrival. Delta 627, turn left heading 300. Turn left heading 270, 9 Victor Delta Charlie Foxtrot. Aegean 2310, turn left heading 310. November 327 Juliet Bravo, turn left heading 300. Turn left heading 300, November 327 Juliet Bravo. Turn left heading 300, Delta 627. Austrian 200, you're in an active airspace, please contact Zurich arrival on 118.0. Zurich arrival, Austrian 200, with you at 26,000. Austrian 200, turn right heading 290, descend and maintain 12,000. Lima November Bravo Sierra Juliet Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Contacting Zurich final on 120.75, Swiss 7738. Air France 333 flight of 2, turn right heading 180. Easy 2 Mike X-ray, turn left heading 210. Emirates 725, do not exceed 220 knots. Do not exceed 220 knots, Emirates 725. Turn left heading 210, easy 2 Mike X-ray. Air France 333 flight of 2, please follow instructions or you will be reported. Last 2137, make a right 360. Zurich arrival, Singapore 346 Heavy, with you at 19,300. Singapore 346 Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 at Zurich. Land Chile is 0662 grid. Speedbird 737 Heavy, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Charlie 6 Charlie Oscar Alpha is 11.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Zurich arrival, turn left heading 180, maintain 7000. Turn left heading 180, maintain 7000, Zurich arrival. Shamrock 321, turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 7000. Lima November Bravo Sierra Juliet Heavy.
Speedbird 737 Heavy, request frequency change.
Turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 7000, Lima November Bravo Sierra Juliet Heavy. Turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 5000, Oscar. Speedbird 737 Heavy, contact Zurich Tower on 118.1.
Contacting Zurich Tower on 118.1, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
KLM 917, please expedite.
Zurich Tower, Speedbird 737 Heavy, inbound on the visual runway 28.
Swiss 1 Juliet Lima, line up and wait runway 28. Line up and wait runway 28, Zurich Tower. Speedbird 737 Heavy, wind calm, number 2, runway 28, cleared to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 28, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Air India 001 India November Heavy, exit runway 1 able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Zurich Tower, wind calm, runway 16, cleared for immediate takeoff. Swiss 238, line up and wait runway 16. Wilco, Air India 001 India November Heavy. Cleared for takeoff, runway 16, Lufthansa 1183 Super. Zurich Tower, Swiss 41 Golf Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 14 with information Tango. Line up and wait runway 16, Swiss 238. Swiss 41 Golf Heavy, wind calm, number 3, runway 14, cleared to land. Zurich Tower, Swiss 446, ready for departure in sequence at runway 28, departing straight out. Swiss 1 Juliet Lima, wind calm, runway 28, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 28, Swiss 1 Juliet Lima. Number 3, cleared to land, runway 14, Swiss 41 Golf Heavy. Maintain slowest practical speed, KLM 518. Attention all aircraft, please only request for takeoff when first in line. Lufthansa 1183 Super, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change, Speedbird 737 Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Zurich Tower, please expedite. KLM 518, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Air India 001 India November Heavy, cross runway 16, please expedite. Crossing runway 16, Zurich Tower. Wilco, KLM 518. Air India 747 Super, request frequency change. KLM 518, please expedite. Golf Alpha Delta India Romeo, wind calm, runway 28, cleared for immediate takeoff. KLM 917, request permission to cross runway 34. Cleared for takeoff, runway 28, Golf Alpha Delta India Romeo. Victor November Alpha 520, wind calm, number 2, runway 28, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 28, Victor November Alpha 520. Zurich Tower, request frequency change. KLM 521, line up and wait runway 28. Line up and wait runway 28, KLM 521.
100, 50, 40, 30.
Zurich Tower, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Zurich Tower, good. Speedbird 737 Heavy, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Zurich Tower, Tango Charlie India Sierra Tango, inbound on the ILS runway 14. KLM 917, cross runway.
Wilco, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Zurich Tower, Ava by 71 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 14. Crossing runway 16, KLM. Speedbird 737 Heavy, please expedite. Alaska 706, request permission to cross runway 28. Zurich Tower, Swiss 1002, ready for departure at runway 28, remaining in the pattern. Victor November Alpha 520, go around, make right traffic runway 28. KLM 521, wind calm, runway 28, cleared for immediate takeoff. Going around, make right traffic 1 India November Heavy, request frequency change. KLM 521, line up and wait runway 28. Line up and wait runway 28, KLM 521. Frequency change approved, good day. Speedbird 737 Heavy, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Zurich Tower, Tango Charlie India Sierra Tango, inbound on the ILS runway 14. KLM 917, cross runway 16, please expedite. Zurich Tower, November Heavy, request frequency change. KLM 521, line up and wait runway 28. Line up and wait runway 28, KLM 521. Air India 747 Super, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved Air India 747 Super, good day. Speedbird 737 Heavy, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Zurich Tower, Tango Charlie India Sierra Tango, inbound on the ILS runway 14, number Alpha 520. Cleared for takeoff, runway 28, KLM 521. KLM 518, request permission to cross runway 34. Victor November Alpha 520, contact Zurich arrival on 118.0. Swiss 41 Golf Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Swiss 41 Golf Heavy, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway. Contacting Zurich arrival on 118.0, Victor November Alpha 520. Beta by 71 Heavy, wind calm, number 2, runway 14, cleared to land. Swiss 234 Heavy, wind calm, number 1, runway 28, cleared to land. Victor November Alpha 520, we're in an active airspace, please contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. Victor November Alpha 520, please follow instructions or you will be reported. Swiss 446, wind calm, runway 28, cleared for immediate takeoff. Swiss 446, please expedite. Swiss 234 Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed. Maintain slowest practical speed, Swiss 234 Heavy. Zurich Tower, Swiss 224 Luna X-ray, inbound on the ILS runway 14. Zurich Tower, KLM 1609 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 28. KLM 1609 Heavy. Wilco, Tango Charlie India Sierra Tango. Blaster 706, cross runway 28, please expedite. Beta by 71 Heavy.
Speedbird 737 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 16.
American 731 flight of 2, cross runway 28, please expedite. Crossing runway 28, American 731 flight of 2. KLM 917, contact Zurich ground on 121.9. Zurich Tower, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, inbound on the ILS runway 28. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, wind calm, number 2, runway 28, cleared to land. Contacting Zurich ground on 121.9, KLM 917. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 28, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Swiss 238, frequency change approved. Speedbird 737 Heavy, say intentions. Swiss 1002, line up and wait runway 28.
Speedbird 737 Heavy, request permission to cross runway 16.
Swiss 224 Luna X-ray, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite. Speedbird 737 Heavy, cross runway 1.
Crossing runway 16, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Lufthansa 211 Victor Alpha, request permission to cross runway 28. Sierra Tango Alpha Romeo Sierra, line up and wait runway 28. Line up and wait runway 28, Sierra Tango Alpha Romeo Sierra. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Delta 407 Victor Alpha Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed. Sadia 011 Victor Alpha, wind calm, number 2, runway 28, cleared to land. Maintain slowest practical speed, Delta 407 Victor Alpha Heavy. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 28, Sadia 011 Victor Alpha. Zurich Tower, top Swiss 76 Tango at 13 nautical miles to the northwest at 4,600 feet, inbound for landing with information Tango. Sierra Tango Alpha Romeo Sierra, wind calm, runway 28, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 28, Sierra Tango Alpha Romeo Sierra.
Zurich ground, Speedbird 737 Heavy, request taxi to parking.
Speedbird 737 Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxi to parking, Speedbird 737 Heavy.
Contacting Zurich Tower on 118.1, Air Canada 985 Victor Alpha. Contacting Zurich Tower on 118.1, November 190 India Uniform. Swiss 117, please amend flight plan to include ATC preferred standard instrument departure. Zurich ground, Lufthansa 1550 Heavy, ready to taxi with information whiskey. Lufthansa 1550 Heavy, taxi to runway 16, contact tower when ready. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, request permission to cross runway 16. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. Contacting Zurich Tower on 118.1, Zurich ground. Zurich ground, Lufthansa 1550 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 28 with information whiskey. Lufthansa 1550 Heavy, please follow instructions. Thank you, Swiss 117. Zurich ground, top Swiss 911 Alpha Lima Super, ready for pushback with information whiskey. Thank you, Lufthansa 1550 Heavy. Zurich ground, American 612, ready for pushback with information whiskey, requesting runway 28. Zurich ground, Iberia 32 Victor Alpha, ready to taxi to runway 16 with information whiskey. Zurich ground, top Swiss 911 Alpha Lima Super, ready for pushback with information whiskey. Lufthansa 211 Victor Alpha, request permission to cross runway 28. Iberia 32 Victor Alpha, taxi to runway 16, hold short of 1028. Taxiing to runway 16, will hold short of 1028, Iberia 32 Victor Alpha. American 612, please amend flight plan to include ATC preferred standard instrument departure. Attention all aircraft, ATIS information whiskey is now current. Zurich ground, Swiss 117, ready for pushback with information whiskey, requesting runway 28. Zurich ground, Delta 407 Victor Alpha Heavy, request taxi to gate 57 at the dock key. Qatari 137 Heavy, give way to aircraft on your right. Delta 407 Victor Alpha Heavy, taxi to dock E gate 57 via Echo, Foxtrot, Delta. Swiss 317, please amend flight plan to include ATC preferred standard instrument departure. Zurich ground, Sadia 011 Victor Alpha, request taxi to parking. Zurich ground, Shuttle 370 Heavy, ready for pushback with information whiskey. Zurich ground, Austrian 570, ready for pushback with information whiskey, requesting runway 28. Delta 972, please follow instructions. Zurich ground, American 612, ready for pushback with information whiskey. Zurich ground, Swiss 9 Heavy, request taxi to parking. Taxi to parking, Sadia 011 Victor Alpha. Austrian 570, check ATIS frequency for airfield information. Swiss 9 Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Air France 1115, request frequency change. Taxi to parking, Swiss 9 Heavy. Condor 498, pushback approved, expect runway 16. Zurich ground, top Swiss 911 Alpha Lima Super, ready to taxi with information whiskey. Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taxi to parking, Oscar Kilo Sierra Whiskey Alpha. Zurich ground, Uniform Romeo Alpha Mike Zulu November Golf, ready for pushback with information whiskey. Delta 2443, please amend flight plan to include ATC preferred standard instrument departure. November 190 India Uniform, contact Zurich Tower on 118.1. Zurich ground, Shuttle 370 Heavy, ready for pushback with information whiskey. Sadia 011 Victor Alpha, give way to aircraft ahead. Give way to aircraft, Sadia 011 Victor Alpha. Pushback approved, Qatari 137 Heavy. Zurich ground, Austrian 570, ready for pushback with information whiskey, requesting runway 16. Top Swiss 911 Alpha Lima Super, give way to aircraft on your right. Zurich ground, request taxi to gate 10 at the dock A. Pushback approved, Austrian 570. Top Swiss 911 Alpha Lima Super, pushback approved, expect runway 16.